Hello children, this is your Pragasham sir from Max Beyond Marks channel where you will understand first and then marks will follow automatically. This is video number 3 in this playlist under the chapter A Square and a Cube, chapter 1 of class 8 mathematics CBSE syllabus. In the last video, we have seen patterns in perfect squares. If you didn't watch, please watch video number 2 and come back. Since in this video number 3, we are going to solve sums using those patterns. Please watch and come back. Then you can understand just like that you can solve the sums. Shall we go to that exercise? Shall we start the exercise? Remember, there is no exercise in the textbook. I made some questions and keeping the name as exercise sums because it follows the patterns, all things given in the form of figure it out and let you read, let you know, like that only they have given. So now the first question what I have done is find the square of first 30 natural numbers. Yeah, it is copied from your textbook only. Square of first 30 natural numbers. I am not going to write all the 30, only few. 1 square is 1. 2 square equal to 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square 16. 5 square 25. 6 square 36. 6 square 36. 7 square 49. 8 square 64, 9 square 81 and 10 square is 0, that is 100, not 0. 10 square is 100. In question number 2, they are asking what patterns do you notice? Share your observation. So if it is being asked means you have to say what you observed. As in the patterns we have seen already. What we have seen in the patterns, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. That means the numbers here it is repeated. 1 and 81 gets repeated. Okay. 2 square is 4 and 8 square is 64. 3 square is 9 and 7 square is 49, 16 and 36 and 25. So the numbers repeated are 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and then 0. The numbers never coming in this one are 2, 3, 7, 8. 2, 3, 7, 8. These numbers. Now you see totally 10 digits are there. Will it be for 11 square, 21 square, 11 to 20, 21 to 30? Sure, it follows for all the numbers. That's why I didn't write. Please check it out and comment in the comment section. Okay. Now what patterns do you notice? Means this is the pattern. So it repeats. The patterns are a square number always ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0. And it never ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. Now, third question. Let us explore the difference between consecutive squares. What do you notice? That pattern is over. Now they are coming to the next pattern. What is that next pattern? They are asking about the difference between the consecutive squares. 1 square and 4 square. Yesterday itself in the pattern we have seen 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is what? It will be 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4, sorry. 9 minus 4 is 5. Then 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. What do you observe from this 3, 5, 7? We can observe that they are only odd numbers. Will it follow for other numbers? Surely. You can take any square. 9 square minus 8 square. 81 minus 64, that is 13. So it follows for all the numbers. That means the square of consecutive two numbers Very important, consecutive numbers. Now, fourth question. See this pattern continues for the next few square numbers. Is this pattern continuing for the next few numbers like that? They're asking next few square numbers. Yes, just now I said that will continue for any number. Very important. You have to understand that it is used only true only for consecutive squares, not alternate or anything. Question number 5. Verify that adding consecutive odd numbers starting from 1 gives consecutive square numbers. What they're asking, verify by adding consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers means, I hope they're asking in the reverse order. What is that consecutive odd numbers? 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Yes, it is a square number. 1 plus 3 already, that means 4 plus 5, that is nothing but 8. Sorry, 9. 8, 8 plus 1, that is 9. Yeah, it is a square number. Then what you have to see, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Surely 7 plus 5, 12, 15, 16. Yes, it follows this one. So they're asking to check whether the consecutive numbers when added from 1 gives the square number, means yes. But not all our patterns. From one pattern, the other question is being derived. So what do you observe? Okay, from the previous pattern, what can you observe? New things like that, these questions are arising. So that is only CBSE now new syllabus book is an exploration book, not just reading and memorizing for exams. It's a concept based book. Next question is the squares 1 square, 9 square, 11 square, 19 square, 21 square and 29 square all have 1 in their units place. Right next to squares. What are the next to 2 square? Simple only, no? It is very simple question. The next to 2 squares are 31 square and 39 square and 39 square. Yeah, this number surely will end with 1 only. In its place, 31 square, whatever it is, last digit is 1 into 1. That is going to be 1. 9 into 9, 81. That also digit is going to end with 9. That is 1. Hence, 31 square and 39 square are the next two numbers. Next question. Consider square numbers ending in 6. Yeah. Next question. So what are the numbers ending in 6 here? 6. 16 equal to 4 square. 36 equal to 6 square. 196 is 14 square. 256 is 16 square. 576 is 24 square. 676 equal to 26 square. What do you observe? Nothing. Same like previous question. They're ending with here. That means 4 square ends with 6. 14 square ends with 6. 24 square ends with 6. That's all what they are trying to ask. Ends not equal. Some numbers are there. 4 square is 16. 14 square is 286 or 196. Like that, the numbers are going on. Okay. 6 square also. 6 square will be ending with 36. Then 26 square will be ending with 6 only. 676, that is 6. Here it is given 26 square is 6. So that means either 4 square or 6 square ends with 6. That what in the previous beginning of that I wrote like that. 1 square and 9 square ends with 1. 2 square and 8 square ends with 4. 3 square and 7 square ends with 9. 4 square and 6 square ends with 6. 5 square always ends with 5. That's all. This is your part 1. That means in this part 1 video we solved 7 questions from the textbook. Not they are given in the form of direct questions. They gave it in a different manner. So try to read the whole textbook and ask me any doubts. So if you like this video, please share, comment and pass on to this video to your friends so that they too can learn, and you can discuss and learn more maths. If you discuss, you can enjoy mathematics. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye from Pragasham sir.